What is up for yourselves, lads YouTube? Welcome back to another banger head ass. Today I want to start off the morning correct. So let's read this Bible verse. Matthew 7, chapter 7, verse 7. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open to you. For everyone who asks receives, and the one who seeks finds, and the one who knocks it will be open. Or which one of you, if his son asks him for bread, will you give him a stone? Or which one of you, if his son asks him for bread, will give him a stone? Or if he asks for fish, will give him a serpent? If you then, who are evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father who is in heaven give good things to those who ask him? The golden rule. So whatever you wish that others would do to you, do also to them, for this is the law and the prophets. So, from my understanding, right, as it's basically saying, if you look, ask, or find, it shall be given. What you do in this world affects you in the afterworld. What you give to people from the kindness of your heart, God will reward you more. That's from my understanding, right? So, yeah, that's the verse for today. Let's get to these markets. I have officially won a trade. Yeah, you heard that right. I've officially won the trade from last week, the one I thought I was gonna lose. AUDJPY, and it's still continuing to fall. I exited it already here. This was my point of interest. I didn't want to be greedy too much, so I'm like, okay, let me just exit. All right. So the profits were $6, but hey, that doesn't matter. The matter is that we were right. That I actually read it right, and we just consolidated. And I'm also in this trade. If price wants to go up from here, it will go up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Um, Gold USD, I was wrong. Price actually fell. Something I'm starting to realize is that whenever I'm interested in things, I put my area of interest, you could say, or area that I want price to retest again or come back to retest, never goes up. So if I put it here, price never breaks above it because it's meant to go down. So I might start doing the opposite of what I do. Head ass, nah, I gotta follow my rule. This is following your trading plan, that's right. So I guess we started incorrect. Price was just consolidating for a bit. I held this trade since last Monday. It played out today this morning around London session. This one also kind of looks ready. I'll be waiting how that 4 hour closes and I might enter. It looks pretty nice. We are starting to see some type of shift to structure. You can also see that the trend is starting to look bearish. As you can see, price was here, like we're about to shift structure to continue to the downside. Weekly, I don't like this though, cause we might not even resist here. I might just wait for the actual move to show me, and then I would enter off that move. Like we are resisting here, you can see on the daily. The daily is starting to shift, as you can see, price making these lower lows, lower highs. Actually, it could be a potential continue to the upside, or it could actually just come down from here. Take your crazy. Hopefully, my skills are improving. As long as you seek, you will receive, right? As long as you look, you will find. We can see this 4 hour shifting structure as well. As you can see, price was making these lower lows, lower highs, consolidate for a bit. You can call these liquidity graphs, whatever you want. Price started doing the downtrend, right? It started to go bearish. Price broke though, so now it's turned bullish. If you look at internal structure, right? Then price started moving bearish now. I do believe price retested this zone, and now we will continue going to the downside. My goal was to only enter 2 trades, so I'm gonna see if I enter this one. I want to enter the best possible trades that I look for, cause look, it was consolidating here for a bit. Right, price turned bullish, went back bearish. Now I believe we're testing the zone to continue going back lower. Previous candle close were engulfing, so that's a point of entry as well. We can see this trying to make the move to the downside, right? I don't know. It's not the best trade, so I don't think I'm gonna enter. I mean, this trade already played out though. The one I said that I don't think I'm gonna enter it, and see, this trade beautifully played out. Engulfing candlestick, price fell. 15 lower time frame, price retested it. What else could you ask for, right? So, this is really kind of consolidating. So I don't know. This is not stopping. So GDP and today we were fully wrong about if then price is still gonna continue going up. But big push up needs a big pull down. Yeah, this played out like I wanted to as well. So GDP played out exactly how I wanted it to. Initially my point of entry was this engulfing here, but I kind of wanted price to retest this zone more here to this area. Price never did, so never enter, right? So, oh well. A miss is a miss. There's plenty of more opportunities in the market, right? Essentially, I can enter this one if price says to come back to this zone and look for shorts here. But then we gotta remember that we do have some sort of resistance at this area. So we gotta be very much careful. Um, yeah. We want to see how price reacts. My create light is doubles up on the daily. And this area aligns kind of great with this previous weekly structure as well. So today's why you don't enter off. You think, well, I kind of did that, so I can't really say shit. But look, so here, right, we had that engulfing. I would have been like, okay, let's enter longs. Retested his zone. Okay, let's enter at one around this halfway, right? So stop loss here. 1 and 2 would be right here. Price would have never came to your TP, and that would have been crazy. But you learn to be patient, and you don't want to push yourself. I mean, you do want to push yourself, just not too much, right? Mm, I kind of do see this making. Actually, let me not say shit. Last time I said this, that hoe went down, or basically up, because I was buying. Let me sell it. Hmm. I mean, if price breaks to this when it golfing, then we look cook. The reason I say that is because I might just still continue to go to the downside, right? I do believe it's like a really a trade that could potentially keep going, but then I also believe that price could resist at this area as we did here with this doji candlestick and go for it. Price could potentially do the same thing here. Um, we maybe could consolidate for a bit. I would actually see. Hmm. But yeah, this has possibility of reaching this area or even continuing more lower. This might be the start of a new beginning. You feel me? So we got the fake million. Remember that we gotta keep going. Nobody's gonna teach us this shit by course. We gotta learn this shit by ourselves from me. So potentially I might enter here. GP is will be here. I would say in case price is failing to go below the zone. So I might. There's a big possibility that I'll do one of this. We're gonna see how this plays out. If it wants to take me out, it's gonna take me out by today. So yeah. This one didn't enter, so I'm only one trade. I would have entered this trade though. I won this trade, so all right, y'all. It's gonna be for right now. I'm gonna be heading to the gym, so there's gonna be some gym clips of me. I got arms today, so here we go. Boom. Like back, I just came back from the gym like an hour, 2 hours ago. I ate some food, my meal prep. We lost trade from today. We didn't have enough money in our account. Ding 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 ding. Our account is looking at $3. One, two, three, not four, three, not two, three. Um, I'm going to enter $500 into my account. I will be taking $30 or $50 trades. That will make me want to pick only the perfect ones I see. The perfects at the perfects one. I feel like that will kind of push me a little better to get better at this, right? Either we grow that account or we just blow that account. Yeah, this is how that trade is looking. I guess we're just fully wrong, right? Something that I also noticed was that we didn't have really much confirmation, right? I really just entered off entry. This engulfing wasn't enough confirmation. I really just entered because I wanted it to, I guess, and that was my fault. I didn't see nothing else besides this coming down, and yeah, that was really my fault. So I accept that loss, but I do believe it will be going up. Might just be consolidating. Um, I'll be waiting for something on a 4 hour instead of the 1 hour. I feel like I haven't been I haven't been doing that much, or I might not even enter this right. So yeah, I will be adding $500 to my account. I don't know when, either this week or next week. But this is how GBP Cat is looking like. If GBP Cat can give me like a retest to the zone, then we might make this a possible entry with the 500 to either nothing or something, right? We have to. This is like the perfect one I see. 4 hour is starting to shift structure, as you can see. We have met this resistance zone. This daily is showing me that it's failing to go any higher, right? Um, Weekly looks nice here. One, two, basically three, four. We have had a liquidity grab already, as you can see in this candlestick. Price brought it back down, but we'll have to see. This daily, something that I don't like about this daily is that price came to retest this structure point here. Um, it did this high, and then either price is going to go lower or, well, yeah. But yeah, so I'll be kind of worried about this point. So that's why my TP is kind of here. In case price is able to go lows below that level, right? I need that 4 hour retest, right? Something that I'm not being or seeing that I am missing is that I don't really use the 4 hour that much. Like when I don't really see a shift of structure on the 4 hour, and I guess that's what makes me kind of lose. I guess so. I gotta start seeing that shift of structure on the 4 hour. Go to my lower time frames, look for a smaller shift of structure, then enter off that, and then yeah. So let's put this alert saying maybe enter. Oops, enter. Maybe enter, right? Because we don't know if we're gonna enter or not, but we'll have to see. That is really the only one that I see. So we lost trade today and we won a trade today, right? This AUD JPY is still continuing to go down, right? I'm not that interested in entering again, but yeah, that's gonna be my deal with myself. If I don't read these markets correct, I'm not gonna enter that amount of money just to lose it all, right? It's gonna be kind of retarded, right? Like saying, I'm gonna enter at $10,000 and I'm gonna risk it all by trading $1,000 each trade, and then I lose it, all right? Because you weren't ready. If I'm not ready and I see that I'm not ready, then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna just maybe demo trade, but I will get good at this. I will be great at it, and trust me when I tell you, I will be good at it, right? So as long as I put that work in, it's all gonna be okay, right? Like I've said, be patient. Something I see, right, is I kind of use the gym to motivate me, right? The more I go, the more I discipline myself to do something that I didn't want to do. Because when I started first going to the gym, I didn't think it was important. I'm like, I don't need the gym, bro. Yeah, I don't like going. Blah, blah, blah. I need the gym, right? Then I started going. I logged in like around February. I went February. I'm like, not too bad. March. Kind of started like in it. April, May, June. I've been locked in for 5 months, right? So now I'm trying to get lean. So yeah, I just feel like if you like, let's say you're fat as fuck, right? You're watching this and you're fat as fuck. Start with something light, right? Go to the gym. So as long as you put that work in, it could be with anything. You will see results. I will put that work in, and I will see results. No matter how long it takes me, it could take me a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, anytime, right? But I will keep going. It's better to see the outcome than to be like, damn, where would it have went? It would have went have good or bad. I will see the outcome if it goes good or bad. As long as I put the work in and I stick to the strategy and learning the skill and not chasing the money, then it's gonna be okay, right? So yeah, but the reason I say 500 too, that I want to show you that if I could do it, you could do it too. That's the reason I want to I show you the accounts, the money wise, because if I could do it, anybody could do it, right? Shit, I'm pretty kind of slow. So in the brain, I'm not too bueno. So a little bit, um, kind of, you could say. So if I could do it, I'm sure you could do it. So as soon as I start making it actually and show you that I'm turning profitable soon, y'all, I would tell you I've done it and y'all could do it too. There's gonna be a bunch of random videos. So it could be this series of unprofitable to profitable could last up to 100 days more. Who knows, right? I just know that I will do it. And that is really it for this video. I know I yapped a lot. My bad if I yapped too much, but that's just how I am, right? So I'm gonna be seeing y'all tomorrow. Just keep it going, right? Type the word or phrase, discipline. Type it in the chat if you made it all the way through, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.